Oh, fine. Ha! Johan just got here and he wants to see Hiccup.
Oh.
Well, where is he?
No idea. No one ever sees Hiccup now that he and Astrid are all...
Me likey.
Now that they're a couple, they don't care about us anymore. It's all about Hickstrid.
Ah! Ew! Yeah, Axe.
No. Shh. Behold.
Yes. Yeah.
Watching these two reminds me of gazing upon the giant water buffalord as they graze against the tender auspices of the wheat fields of yesteryear.
Call it a draw?
Not on your life. I got you right where I... what? Okay. Ah! Yeah. Woo! Yeah!
Would you two stop? Hiccup, I've been looking all over for you. Johan is here and he wants...
Johan! Oh, great. Where is he?